Peace be with you. Burning incense is a great way to worship God, and it can even be a form of aromatherapy. You can find all through the Old and New Testament where Yahweh asks his people to burn incense. And today I want to show you how you can bring that practice into your own life. Before you start this process, you're going to need the obvious. An incense holder, some sort of fire starter like a match or a lighter, even a small torch. And you're going to need to decide what specific type of incense that you want to use. For my own experience, I suggest dragon's blood or frankincense covered in myrrh. Not only do these two smell great, but dragon's blood makes me think of Yahweh, and frankincense specifically makes me think about Nativity Day, so I would highly recommend those two types. Alright, now that you've got everything together, take your flame and your incense and burn your incense while saying a prayer, kind of like you would a prayer candle. But keep in mind, incense is kind of dense, so it may take a few moments to catch on fire. Also keep in mind too, there's going to be a lot of smoke, so make sure you're doing this in a place where you won't have to worry about the fire alarm going off, or possibly causing any health concerns to your lungs or the lungs of the people around you. Lastly, there's going to be a lot of ashes, but depending on your holder, it'll be able to catch those as well. Now that you've completed all these steps, the smoke rising will be a visual form of the prayer you just said when you lit the incense. So as it burns, your prayer will keep going until you've either let it burn all the way down to the stick, or you put the incense out. I suggest that if you're putting the incense out, you put it out in holy water specifically. If you don't have holy water, regular water will do just fine as well. Well, in conclusion, I hope this tutorial was helpful in showing you another way that you can worship our Creator. That being said, thank you for watching this video, and God bless you.